everybody. This is Ken Clark. I'm the editor of Hardware and Building Supply Dealer, and this is Ken's New Jersey Garage, a very special winter edition. There's really no room here to explore cool new products, so we're going inside with the Dyche Coatings Marble Dream Resurfacing Kit. Marble Dream allows the homeowner to choose a white marble countertop or a black marble countertop. As you see here, I'm going with the darker version. Here's the first coat. The first step is the marble stone base coat, and that's what it looks like. Not too impressive. But here, when we roll on our second coat, it starts to really look good. The next step is the application of the marble vein. I'm just going to stir it up a little bit, and here I planned out my lines as they're going to appear on my countertop. With a sea sponge included in the kit, I just dabbed the marble vein over the base coat, tapped a few times with a soft sponge, and then added step 3, which is the marble glaze coat. Check out the results. The final step was the application of the protective clear top coat, and after 3 coats of that, voila. The resurfacing kit covers about 40 square feet of space and sells for about $170. That's the 4-step process. Thanks for watching Ken's New Jersey Garage. And for more news, analysis, and videos and opinion, visit us at HBSdealer.com.